Let's begin making this resin on mirror. Start by applying masking tape on the top half of the mirror. Make sure you mask the tape in the front and at the back and along the edges of the mirror. Now start preparing the resin. Pour the resin, a spoonful, on the lower half of the mirror. Spread it with the help of a silicone stick or a wooden stick. Blow the bubbles with a heat gun. Now start putting the dry flower arrangement. Make sure the flower and the leaves are dipped in resin. If not, take a little resin and apply it on top of the flower. Once after 12 hours it's ready, start peeling off the masking tape from the back and from the front carefully, and your resin on mirror is ready. Thank you for watching.